Alright. This is how to simply clone yourself in videos. It's a really simple process. The first thing you need is a good script. You know, the way you want to interact with yourself. So in this case, I've already shoot 2 videos. So the one I was sitting on a long chair, a three seater. So I was sitting on a far end of the seat. So let me show you in InShot. You go to your InShot app. I'm using InShot for this video. So let's go. So this is the first one. This is the first one. We click OK. Okay, so this is a 3-seater. So 2 of us are going to sit on this chair. So one on the left and one on the right. Make sure there is space in between the 2 of you. See, can you see? That guy is sitting on the left. Alright. So let's see where I want to start from. Right here. Hi guys. Okay, this is where I want to start from. So I don't need the remaining the previous videos that I did. So I just hit split. Then I remove the other one, which is delete. I'll delete it. So this is the one that I needed. So like that. You can see I've already done a little conversation, but give a little space for my other guy to talk. Today I'll be teaching us. Okay, now can you see what I just did there? I did a conversation with myself. So I'll move forward just like this. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. Just is split. Now delete the one I don't need. So I'll go back to the beginning of the video, and I'll go to PIP. And you go to PIP. Then select the second video, where the guy is sitting on the right. So you can see this is the one. So you make sure that video is full screen. Bring it to full screen. Come on. Alright. Okay, I think we're good with this. Alright. So you can see. So the guy is sitting on the far end. Then we'll go to the next thing we'll do is we'll go to mask. Click on this mask. Then click on the third button. Then use your 2 fingers to roll the mask to this side. If your other twin is sitting on the left, you roll to the right. If it's sitting on the right, you roll to the left. Do you understand? So just like that. Now let me rotate it very well. Okay. Now if you notice that there's one tiny line at the middle, and we don't want that to happen, so that people will not know that this is a trick. So we'll click on mask again. Now on this black and white stuff in front of it, we'll just pull it to the front a little bit. Yes. So don't pull it too much so that your video will not look transparent. I think we are good with that. So let's play the video and see what we get. Alright, so do you get it now? That's simply how to do it. So if you want to have a conversation with yourself, you need a script. What I just did is basically for this tutorial. So sorry, I'm having running nose. I'm doing this around, this is 1:52 a.m. So this is the best time that I can do this because I was very busy. So this is basically everything that you need. So if you want to add some button, if you want to add some effect, add some filter, anyhow you want it, like that. So but be careful in using those effects so you won't spoil your videos. So you get okay. So So you can see that the video has changed. The video is different. So let's reverse that effect. So we don't want that effect. So that's why I said a good light is very, very important. So you need a good light set. For this video that I shoot in this night, I used my own phone flashlight. Then I added another person's phone flashlight, and I used a lamp because the light in the room is not that luminous. So I use like 3 lights to make the face show a little bit, so that there will be no shadow anywhere. So that is basically everything that you need. So going forward, if you need to put a text, you can put a text, anyone you want. So then you go to the top here, you put save, you click on save. So you can click on any resolution that you want. So you just click on save and you let it save. That is basically everything that you need. So we are done with the video. So I would like you to do your own video and let me see. Okay. So this is our own product. So that's everything that you need to know. Thank you very much.